Okay, so this is literally like my first ever like sort of video log, like for YouTube or anything, so it's probably going to be proper shit, but I just thought I'd do it anyway. So today I bought a E39 5 Series BM with the intention of turning it into a drift car. So I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know how much I'm going to spend. Hopefully not too much. So yeah, it's basically just going to be me, possibly some of the other guys that I'm mates with, just doing some fucking ghetto shit on it, and just doing it like, you know, just on the cheap, and just make a fucking ripper out of it. So, but yeah, if you could, like, you know, like and subscribe or whatever. I don't know what you do on YouTube, but yeah, I'm not used to this, so yeah, that'd be great. Also, please excuse the wobbliness because my phone holder in my car's fucking shit, and the coilovers in this car are just fucking rock hard. Even on the fucking softest setting, they're so hard. So yeah, just sorry about that. Should probably also add that I probably will be doing some other videos on on my Hondas or my other two cars, or probably some of the other guys' cars as well, like just general sorry, punch the camera, just like general fucking pissing about, pretty much whatever we do down at my workshop, at my unit where I work. I work for myself, detailer, so yeah, if you could stay with me, that'd be pretty cool. So the E39, so yeah, it's a fucking bag of shit basically. You can't see through them, they're fucked, both of them, rusty as fuck. Yeah, it's a fucking nail. We're all fucking pissing about, basically. Bare rust everywhere and shit. And the indicators are, well, going off the fucking tit, so taking the light module out there. Yeah, boy. So, yeah. Work started already. Fucking walnut, or whatever it is, walnut dash, I don't know. Sick as fuck. Not. But yeah, bog standard. It's had fuck all done to it, apart from that weird spacing on the number plate. Don't know why anyone would do that. It kind of looks like Sausig, but without the G. Fuck knows. But yeah, it's shit. Proper shit. But it's got MOT till October. Well, yeah, it drives alright, goes well. I'm just gonna turn it into a bit of a skidder. Don't know, I might strip it out and bucket seats in it or something. Some wheels, or already looking at some front wheels with some adapters and shit. But yeah, full interior and shit. It's not really that dazzling or anything. But yeah, granddad spec. But yeah, sound.